There are many situations when you want your WordPress website to send an email to one of your customers. Sending out emails is a common task, but with the rise of aggressive spam filtering, it's tough to reach the inbox unless your emails are configured correctly. WP Mail SMTP is a popular plugin which makes sure your emails are authenticated properly so that they are successfully delivered. If your emails are properly authenticated using SMTP, they'll be recognized as legitimate and they'll bypass those aggressive spam filters. The best thing about this plugin is that it integrates with all of the best secure SMTP providers. No matter how many emails you need to send, you can connect with the right provider for your business needs and budget. Amazon SES, Gmail, Zoho Mail, Mailgun, SendGrid are just a few examples. I'm using G Suite for my email, and in this video, I'll show you how to configure WP Mail SMTP to send emails using a G Suite account. First things first, let's install WP Mail SMTP from the WordPress plugin directory and activate it. Once done, we'll go to its settings and have what we want for the from email and from name fields. Since we want to configure this plugin to use our G Suite account, we'll select Google as the mailer. For this configuration, we need client ID and client secret. To generate both of these, you need to visit this link. Enter the credentials of the account that you want to send emails from. The first step is to agree to Google's terms of service and selecting country of residence. Then click Agree and Continue. Google will create a project for you in Google API Console and enable the Gmail API for that project. To get our API credentials, let's click Go to Credentials. In the first drop-down list, we'll select Gmail API because that is the API we'll be using. In the second drop-down list, select Web Server and then select User Data Radio button. Let us then click on What credentials do I need? In this pop-up, click Setup Consent screen and then select Internal for the user type. For the application name, type Complete WordPress Mastery or anything that you wish, and then put in the authorized domain. Make sure you don't include www and that you press enter after putting in the domain name. In the next text box, we need to put in the URL of the homepage of our website. Now, we don't have privacy policy and terms of service pages on our website, but I know what their URLs are going to be. So let's go ahead and put in these two URLs. When you are done, click Save. In the first tab, enter the URL of the homepage for authorized JavaScript origins and press enter. Then copy the authorized redirect URI from the plugin settings page on our website and paste it here and then hit enter. Finally, click on refresh and then create OAuth client ID. After that, click on I'll do this later. Our API credentials have been created. You can access them by clicking this pencil icon. Let us copy these over to the plugin settings page one by one and save them. Before Google allows this information to be used to connect to our account, we must grant permission. To do this, scroll to the bottom of this page and click the button labeled Allow plugin to send emails using your Google account. This will open a login screen for Google. Go ahead and log into the account you are setting this up with. Then you will see a screen asking for permission for this site to send email on your behalf. Click the Allow button to proceed. You'll be redirected to your WP Mail SMTP settings and a success message will be displayed. Now that the connection is complete, you are ready to send a test email under the Email Test tab. Let's do that now. So the email has been received, proving that our SMTP connection is working fine. This wraps up the video for us. I hope you found it helpful.